Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Whoop 4.0 app. We'll start by navigating the main dashboard, where you'll find your three core metrics: strain, recovery, and sleep. I'll show you how to quickly access your daily overview and understand the color-coded system that provides immediate insights into your physiological state. This initial view is your command center for understanding your body's 24/7 performance. Next, let's dive deeper into understanding your individual metrics. We'll explore the detailed strain view, which breaks down your daily activity into cardiovascular and muscular load, helping you see how hard you've worked. Then, we'll examine recovery, looking at key indicators like heart rate variability and resting heart rate, which are crucial for assessing your body's readiness for the day. Finally, we'll analyze your sleep performance, including the duration of each sleep stage. Now, let's leverage the app's powerful coaching features to optimize your performance. The sleep coach will guide you to the ideal bedtime and wake-up times, ensuring you achieve optimal recovery based on your daily strain. The strain coach provides real-time recommendations, helping you balance activity and rest throughout your day. You can also log specific behaviors in your journal to see their direct impact on your metrics, empowering you to make informed choices. Finally, we'll explore advanced customization and insights. You can personalize your journal to track unique behaviors, from nutrition to stress levels, and observe their correlation with your physiological data. The monthly performance assessments offer a comprehensive look at your long-term trends, highlighting areas of improvement and consistency. We'll also cover how to adjust device settings and notification preferences, ensuring the app works seamlessly with your lifestyle for continuous, personalized feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.